Understanding mindfulness, living in the present moment. Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword, it's a way of life that can transform your daily experiences. Mindfulness is a simple yet powerful practice. It involves being fully present and engaged in whatever you're doing at the moment. It means paying attention to the present moment. This can be as simple as noticing the sensation of your breath, or the feeling of the ground beneath your feet. When you eat, you focus on eating. You savor each bite, noticing the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. When you walk, you are aware of walking. You feel the movement of your body, the contact of your feet with the ground, and the rhythm of your steps. It's about experiencing things fully without judgment. You observe your surroundings, your thoughts, and your feelings with a sense of curiosity and openness. You don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. Instead, you focus on the here and now, allowing yourself to be fully immersed in the present moment. You simply observe your thoughts and feelings without getting carried away. This helps you to respond to situations with clarity and calmness rather than reacting impulsively. Mindfulness is like a gentle anchor. It keeps you steady and grounded even amidst the chaos and busyness of life. It keeps you grounded in the here and now, helping you appreciate the beauty of each moment. Whether it's the sound of birds chirping or the warmth of the sun on your skin, mindfulness allows you to fully experience and enjoy these moments. It's about being present in your life, fully and completely. By practicing mindfulness, you can cultivate a deeper sense of peace, joy, and connection in your everyday life.
Life is full of challenges, and stress is a natural part of it. We all face moments when the pressure feels overwhelming, and it seems like there's no escape from the chaos. Whether it's work deadlines, personal issues, or unexpected events, stress can creep in and take over our lives. But what if there was a way to find calm amidst the storm? Mindfulness doesn't eliminate stress, but it gives you tools to manage it effectively. By practicing mindfulness, you can equip yourself with techniques to handle stress better. Think of it as building a toolbox filled with strategies like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga. These tools help you stay grounded and centered, even when life gets tough. When stress arises, instead of reacting immediately, pause. This simple act of pausing can make a significant difference. It allows you to step back and assess the situation before jumping to conclusions or making hasty decisions. Pausing gives you the opportunity to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Take a deep breath and observe your thoughts and feelings. Deep breathing is a powerful tool that can instantly calm your mind and body. As you breathe in and out, pay attention to your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This practice helps you become more aware of your inner state and brings a sense of peace. Notice the sensations in your body. Stress often manifests physically, so tuning into your body can provide valuable insights. You might feel tension in your shoulders, a racing heart, or a knot in your stomach. By acknowledging these sensations, you can address them more effectively and find ways to release the tension. By acknowledging stress without judgment, you create space between you and your reactions. This space is crucial because it allows you to see the situation more clearly and choose a more measured response. Instead of being swept away by stress, you can observe it from a distance and decide how to handle it. This space allows you to respond to stress more calmly and thoughtfully. It gives you the freedom to choose your actions rather than being driven by automatic reactions. With practice, you can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity, even in the midst of challenging situations. Mindfulness empowers you to navigate life's ups and downs with greater resilience. It helps you build inner strength and adaptability, so you can face whatever comes your way with confidence. By integrating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can transform your relationship with stress and find a sense of calm, no matter the circumstances.
In our fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. Mindfulness helps you improve your focus by training your mind to stay present. When you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to the task at hand. It's like training a puppy. With patience and consistency, your mind will learn to stay focused. Whether you're studying, working, or having a conversation, mindfulness empowers you to be fully present. This focused attention leads to greater productivity and deeper engagement in all that you do.
Section 4. Mindfulness for happiness, cultivating joy in every breath. In this section, we will explore how mindfulness can be a powerful tool in cultivating joy and happiness in our everyday lives. Happiness is not something you find outside yourself, it's cultivated from within. It is a state of being that arises when we are fully present and engaged with the moment. Mindfulness helps you tap into this inner wellspring of joy. By practicing mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations, allowing you to experience life more deeply and richly. By appreciating the simple things, a warm cup of tea, the sound of birdsong, the gentle rustling of leaves in the wind, the smile of a loved one, you begin to notice the beauty and joy that exists in the small moments of life. You cultivate a sense of gratitude and contentment. This gratitude can transform your perspective, making you more resilient and positive. Mindfulness allows you to savor positive experiences more fully. It encourages you to slow down and truly appreciate the present moment. It's about noticing and appreciating the good in your life, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, fostering a deeper sense of happiness and fulfillment. By integrating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can create a more joyful and meaningful life.
Section 5. Mindfulness and English listening. Tuning in with awareness. Mindfulness can enhance your English listening skills. When you listen mindfully, you're fully present with the speaker, paying attention to their words and tone of voice. Let go of distractions and focus on understanding the message. Notice how the speaker uses language to convey their thoughts and feelings. By practicing mindfulness while listening to English, you improve your comprehension and deepen your connection with the language. It becomes a more enjoyable and rewarding experience.
Section 6. A simple mindfulness exercise. Finding stillness. Find a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. Simply observe them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Continue this practice for a few minutes. Be kind to yourself, and if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. This simple exercise helps you cultivate calmness and clarity.
Section 7. Integrating mindfulness into daily life. Start small, live fully. You don't need to spend hours meditating to experience the benefits of mindfulness. Start by incorporating it into small moments throughout your day. Practice mindful eating, paying attention to each bite. Engage in mindful walking, noticing the sensations of your feet on the ground. As you become more comfortable, gradually expand your practice. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process of cultivating greater awareness and presence in your daily life.